River, including Raritan Bay. Severe thunderstorm watch 423 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. For this afternoon, south winds around 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or...
The National Weather Service in New York has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Queens County, Nassau County, until 5:45 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with torrential rainfall over the region moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The heaviest storms were currently over the Five Towns area. These storms and ones that following will cause significant flooding of area roadways this afternoon. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Flood waters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. When you can do so safely, please report flooding to the National Weather Service at 1-800-226-0217 or by email at okx.spotters@NOAA without ever repeating. A flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: